Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down one of Discord's newest and most confusing features, how to get a Discord guild tag and create your own Discord guilds, even if you don't have access to the future feature yet. If the update hasn't rolled out to you but you still want to be prepared, stick with me. This guide will make everything crystal clear. So, first things first. Prerequisites. Before you start, make sure your Discord app is fully updated. Guilds are still being rolled out, so not everyone sees the option yet. Also, you must be either the server owner or a moderator with proper permissions. Without that, you won't be able to access guild settings. Now let's jump in. Open the server where you want to set up your guild. Head into server settings, then scroll until you see guild settings. This is the control center for everything your guild will use to present itself. Inside, the first thing you'll configure is your guild's game selection. Choose the titles your community revolves around. Apex Legends, Valorant, Fortnite, whatever defines your vibe. These games help Discord understand what your guild represents. Next, set the guild type. This is where you tell potential members whether your community is competitive, casual, or more relaxed. Being clear here sets the right expectations and attracts the right members. Then comes one of the coolest parts. Traits. These are tags like beginner friendly, competitive, co-op focused, and more. These traits act like instant identity badges that help people quickly understand what your guild is about. After that, set your discussion topics. Think of these as category labels: gaming, general chat, hobbies, or even game-specific channels. This gives applicants a preview of the conversations they can expect. You'll also need a guild description, up to 146 characters. Keep it short, catchy, and memorable. Something fun like "must love cake, Valorant fans welcome" can work surprisingly well. Now, let's talk about guild badges. These are visual icons that represent ranks, achievements, or community style. You assign these through the guild profile, and they work similarly to server roles, giving your guild a polished look. Finally, head to the Join Application section. Here you can add custom questions to filter new members. You can get serious or playful. Ask things like, "What games do you play?" or "Do you like cake?" Then review the responses and approve the members you want. Once everything looks good, hit save, finalize your setup, and start inviting people. Applicants will see your tags, traits, badges, and description right on their application page. And that's it. You now know exactly how to configure a Discord guild tag and create your own guild from scratch. No future access required. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.